The easiest and most effective way to generate passive income online is through selling digital products. In today's tutorial, we'll unveil the best products and methods to go from $0 to $5,000 or more per month with digital products. Everyday people have shifted from financial struggles to full-time incomes online using the exact strategies we'll discuss today. And the best part is you don't need money, luck, or expert-level knowledge. This is beginner-friendly for anyone who wants to start making real income online with digital products. Follow and apply the methods outlined in today's tutorial for at least 6 to 12 weeks to witness lasting changes in your bank account and life. Before we dive into the details, if you are new to our channel, hello and welcome to Digital Hippie, where we explore the world of earning income online through innovative business models and AI tools and automation, empowering you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. If you're all about transforming your digital dreams and crafting your reality, spread love by tapping that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay groovy with our content. Hop in, let's ride the digital wave. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned online guru, selling digital products are the secret sauce for creators, online entrepreneurs, and anyone aspiring. They're low hassle and let you connect with your audience worldwide with just a few clicks. Digital products are a lucrative and efficient way to generate passive income online. You create them once, and they have potential to generate income for months and even years into the future. In today's tutorial, we'll discuss the following. Why choose digital products? Type of digital products to sell. How to choose the best digital products. With 3 profitable product ideas you can easily create today. The best platform to sell your digital product. The 3-step framework to generate traffic and sales. And lastly, we will share a few bonus tips to help ensure your efforts are maximized on your journey to $5,000 or more in monthly digital product sales. So be sure to stay tuned until the end. Now, let's get started. Why sell digital products? While digital products are not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor should they be treated as such, they offer a seamless path to generating substantial passive income online, making this the most ideal for creators and new online entrepreneurs. They offer incredible scalability without the need for physical inventory. This means lower overhead costs and higher profit margins for you. Another major advantage is their accessibility, since customers worldwide can access the products anytime, breaking down geographical barriers. The e-learning market, in particular, is booming and expected to grow 14% each year. By 2027, the online learning industry is projected to reach $585 billion. This is mostly fueled by technological advancements and the increasing popularity of remote learning. Whether for professional development or personal hobbies, digital products are essential for growing your brand, presence, and sales in this rapidly expanding industry. Types of digital products to sell. There are several types of digital products you can sell online. To give you some ideas to consider, there are ebooks and guides, printables, music and audio files, courses, tutorials, stock photography, digital art and graphics, video content, consulting services, software and applications. And the list of digital products you can sell online goes beyond these options. The choice is yours, but the key is to ensure your digital product provides value or solves a specific problem for your customer. The value you add to the online marketplace can include educational, entertainment, convenience, utility, or even aesthetic and emotional value depending on the type of digital product you choose to sell. This brings us to our next point, choosing the best product. Success in digital product creation is recognizing a problem and crafting a solution. In order to choose the best product to sell online, start by identifying issues people complain about within your social circles or online forums. Keep a record of these problems and dive deeper into research, understanding the problem's root, demographics affected, previous solutions, and outcomes. There's a good chance you already possess some knowledge of the solution already. And if not yet, this exact process will help you gain better understanding to then share with your audience. Don't overthink it. Everyone possesses unique experience and knowledge that others may not have yet, and assuming there's market demand, which we'll discuss later in the tutorial, you can offer this as a solution to your audience. If you need additional assistance in choosing a product, don't worry. We are going to give you 3 digital product ideas with examples that you can create today. Product idea number 1. Ebooks and guides are a popular choice and don't require expert-level knowledge. You just need to know more than your target audience. Topics can range from fiction to nonfiction, including how-to guides, novels, and educational material. For example, if you're a parent to children, sharing your journey and tips on parenting, time management, or even creating a children's storybook based on bedtime tales you've told your own kids can be compelling. Or perhaps you're a 9-to-5 dropout with professional experience. You can turn your professional expertise into valuable resources online or offer services. Write about navigating career transitions, personal development, or even specific skills in your field. field. The key is to leverage your existing skills, interest, experience, and unique perspective in order to share your value online. Additionally, AI tools like ChatGPT can assist in writing and editing, and platforms like Canva provide user-friendly templates to design the ebook. Product idea number 2. A great alternative to ebooks are printables. They are beginner-friendly and yield significant profit potential. Allow us to illustrate what a printable is with a practical example. When first transitioning from a laid-off employee to full-time online entrepreneur in 2023, we noticed a greater need for organization, daily planning, and goal setting. Turning to Google, we looked for a planner that would cater to navigating daily life of a new solopreneur and discovered several pre-designed planners specific to small business owners that could be easily downloaded, edited, and printed online. Using Canva, the planner was personalized to fit our personal needs, including sections like goal setting, financial planning, and a marketing plan and sales tracker. This exact process is accessible to anyone, and you can become a creator and seller of printables too. These can encompass a wide range of items, such as to-do lists, coloring pages, stationery items, activity sheets, planners, or workbooks, all of which can be designed efficiently within Canva. Product idea number 3. The third digital product idea you can sell are music and audio files. If you have a pleasant voice and love talking, this option is perfect for you. Audio files extend beyond music. You can create content like ASMR, meditation guides, or positive affirmations. With just your smartphone and its voice memo app, you can kickstart your recording journey. For instance, in creating affirmations, you can record self-motivating phrases and use ChatGPT to give you ideas on affirmations to use. After recording, use free software like Audacity to edit your files and add royalty-free background music to further enhance the quality. We've discussed 3 product ideas, but there are countless options to explore. If you're looking for inspiration, feel free to check out our 65 Digital Product Ideas Guide, linked in the description. This guide provides lucrative digital product ideas across 8 different categories: education, art, tech, and more. It's specifically designed for individuals with creative minds like yourself, and perfect for finding ideas to match your unique passions, skills, and interest. Simply click on the first link provided in our description to download the 65 Digital Product Ideas Guide. Now that you've decided on the best digital product and finalized its creation utilizing Canva and AI tools, it's time to decide on which platform to sell your product so you can begin generating traffic and sales. Generate traffic and sales on your platform. Successfully selling digital products in today's competitive market requires a strategic approach. What we are about to share are the exact steps to scale to 5,000 or more per month. Simply follow and implement this proven 3-step framework designed to help you launch and scale your efforts in your digital product journey. Step 1. Establish your selling platform. The first step to generating sales for your digital product is to choose the right platform. You can choose to sell on a marketplace like Etsy or Gumroad. Alternatively, opt for selling your digital product on your own e-commerce website store. The recommended and optimal route is to sell on your own e-commerce store instead of selling on sites like Etsy. Despite the popularity of marketplaces, they often come with drawbacks like listing fees, risk of account suspensions, limited customer interaction, and intense competition. Whereas, selling on your own website ensures total control over branding, sales processes, customer relationships, and avoids marketplace constraints and fees, enabling you to effortlessly reach $5,000 or more in monthly sales without direct competition. This choice also offers higher profit margins, customer loyalty, and a personalized user experience, all crucial elements for scaling your digital product effectively. Luckily, creating an e-commerce website today is more accessible now than ever before. The emergence of AI and no-code website builders has eliminated the need to hire developers or be a tech-savvy expert. There are several platforms available on the market and tons of recommendations out there, but our number 1 tip is to select an all-in-one comprehensive website builder. We recommend System.io because it simplifies launching and scaling your digital product by offering integrated website hosting, email marketing, and sales funnel management. This unified approach saves time and resources, allowing you to focus more on creating and less on managing technical aspects of selling your digital product. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to beginners, and even the robust features cater to the needs of experienced marketers. The best part is the platform is completely free to start and grow your sales, and even the premium option won't break the bank. You can get started using System for free using the link in our description. Step 2. Grow a niche following list. With your sales platform now established, focus on building a strong online presence and niche following. Identify your niche by discovering where your personal interest meets market demand, as this is the sweet spot for profitability. We call it the sweet niche. Find your sweet niche by writing down at least 10 of your personal interests, covering everything from hobbies to professional passions. Then, compare your list to the top profitable niches: health, wealth, relationships, finance, technology, and travel. Choose the niche where your interests overlap the most, and just like that, you've uncovered your sweet niche. Next, focus on identifying your target audience within this niche. Think about who you genuinely want to provide value. Identifying who will further enhance your sweet niche. Start with targeting the group you identified earlier in the Choosing the Best Product section of today's tutorial. Once you have defined your niche and the people you will reach, choose 1 or 2 social media platforms that you enjoy using: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Start creating content that caters to your audience needs, offering value that aims to solve their problems. Pay attention to their responses and engagement to refine your approach. Consistency is key, but the real tip for growing on any social media platform is to research successful strategies, including topics and engagement methods, and incorporate your personal and creative flair into these strategies. By following this approach, you can discover your niche organically and grow your audience effectively on social media platforms. Step 3. Convert followers into email subscribers. With a solid social media base, the next phase is to convert your followers into email subscribers. Email marketing has proven to be exceptionally effective with 40 times more sales-driving potential compared to social media. To grow your email list, consider providing a valuable free or low-ticket digital product as an enticing incentive. Additionally, you can enhance your reach and list-building efforts by incorporating blogging and leveraging platforms like Pinterest and YouTube. It's important to adapt to the changing dynamics of these platforms while ensuring a steady stream of traffic. By investing effort in growing and nurturing your email list, you'll be able to expand your audience and maximize long-term sales opportunities. So let's summarize the 3-step framework to generating sales. The journey to successful digital product sales involves: 1. Establishing your own e-commerce platform; 2. Growing a niche following; and 3. Converting that following into an email subscriber base. Systeme is a great tool to facilitate this entire process, offering a range of features even for beginners. Follow this structured approach for a more streamlined and effective path to generating sales with digital products. We are near the end of our tutorial, but we want to leave you with these 3 key bonus tips to ensure your digital product success. Bonus tips for digital product success. Bonus tip number 1, maximize organic social reach. Focusing on organic reach is essential for growing your digital product sales. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is an incredible choice due to its long-term impact. While Instagram and TikTok are great for growth, the content has a fairly short lifespan, whereas YouTube content continues to attract views and drive sales long after they're posted. You create the content once and it offers lasting visibility, making YouTube ideal for sustainable digital product growth. Its versatility allows you to repurpose your YouTube content for other platforms, like blogs on your website or social media clips for TikTok and Instagram. And the best part, you don't need to be an on-camera influencer to succeed on YouTube in 2024 and beyond, making now the best time to get started. If you're interested in using YouTube as a platform for sharing faceless content and building an audience, we highly recommend the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by Matt Parr, who has earned a 7-figure income from faceless YouTube channels. The course offers more than 70 comprehensive video modules and provides access to Matt's private Facebook community, along with other valuable resources, all aimed at helping you launch and grow a profitable faceless YouTube channel. Check out the link in our description for more details. Bonus tip number 2, implement scalable systems. As your digital product business grows, the implementation of scalable systems becomes crucial. These systems should automate key aspects of your sales and marketing processes, using efficient tools for tasks like email marketing and managing sales funnels. Scalable systems save time, ensure consistency, and enhance the customer experience, allowing your business to grow smoothly and respond effectively to increasing demands. Bonus tip number 3, invest time in learning and implement. As a digital creator and entrepreneur, your greatest asset is your knowledge. Continuously invest in learning new skills and keeping up with industry trends, whether through free tutorials or paid courses. But learning is only half the battle. The real advantage comes from implementing this knowledge. Apply what you've learned to enhance your products and strategies. This not only improves your offerings, but also keeps you competitive in the digital marketplace, ensuring your business stays relevant and ahead of the curve. Well, that's it for today's digital product journey. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Remember, pick a product that excites you and has market demand and viability. Host it on your own e-commerce website to generate sales. Use Canva and AI tools to assist in product creation catered to your sweet niche. And be sure to engage with your audience to refine your your digital product and increase your sales. Take the first step today in your digital product journey. Stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at where you'll be in just a few weeks. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. This is Digital Hippie, reminding you to embrace your creativity and craft your digital dream. Stay groovy, friends.